In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent your car on Turo in 2025 with these simple step-by-step guidelines. Whether you're a guest looking to book a ride or a host ready to list your car, we'll guide you through the essentials to make your experience seamless and enjoyable. Turo is a popular platform that connects car owners with travelers who need reliable transportation, and learning to navigate it efficiently can help you make the most out of your car rental journey. Starting with the guest or renter's perspective, the first thing you'll want to do is open the Turo app on your mobile device or visit their website on your computer. Once you're there, look for your profile icon, which is usually located at the top corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. From this menu, select View Profile to access more detailed personal information. Here, you'll notice your guest star rating prominently displayed. This rating reflects the average scores given by the hosts you've interacted with in the past. Maintaining a high star rating could improve your reputation and the ease of booking future rentals, so it's definitely something to keep an eye on. In addition to the star rating, take a moment to scroll down where you'll find written feedback from hosts about your previous trips. This feedback is a valuable resource for gaining insights into your past rentals and learning how you might enhance your experience moving forward. Ponder on any suggestions or praise you receive, as they can help you build a better reputation in the Turo community. Now let's switch gears and explore the process for hosts or car owners. Just like guests, hosts start by opening the Turo app or heading over to Turo.com. Once logged in, locate your profile icon. Tapping on it will bring up several options, including Host Tools or alternatively View Profile. These sections offer a wealth of information about your hosting activities and reputation on the platform. As a host, you'll find your star rating displayed alongside your name. This rating is determined by the average of guest scores you've received and represents the quality of the service you provide. To dig deeper into your hosting feedback, simply click on your profile or the specific car listing, allowing you to read individual reviews from past guests. Insights from these reviews can be instrumental in refining your hosting approach and tailoring the rental experience to meet your guests' expectations. Using Turo effectively is all about understanding and leveraging the tools and feedback provided to you as either a guest or host. These steps aim to foster transparency, build trust, and ensure a smooth car rental process. Keep these guidelines in mind and you'll be more than ready to make the most of Turo, whether you're renting a car or offering yours for others to enjoy.